everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Kerikit Joy backpack. I have with me the color Blue Steel, and this is just a beautiful, beautiful blue. It's not a navy, it is more of a true blue, and I really do love this color. I love this bag, so let's get into talking about the pros and cons, and I'll show you how I have it packed up for my 2.5-year-old at the end of the video. I also have it on the body as well at the end of the review and packing video if you wanted to check that out as well. So this is a full grain leather backpack. It is a backpack only, so it is not a convertible bag, but it is just probably my favorite backpack at the moment. And even though it is leather, I just don't feel like it's not really heavy on my back at all. It's quite comfortable. It's very, very comfortable actually. It has nice padded backpack straps, very similar to the Kerikit Thor that I have as well. Same thickness, I want to say, and they kind of connect the same as well with the adjustable slider here and connecting on the side. There is a pocket at the back of the Joy that is a nice, probably goes about halfway across the back of the bag. The bag does have 4 feet, which is fantastic. It just smells, and this bag smells amazing. It's a smoother leather than the Lennox or the Thor. I feel like the Thor and the Lennox are pebbled. This is just a nice smooth leather. And the handle up here is probably one of my favorite handles on a backpack that I have used. Apart from the one on the Thor, I do like that too because it is really big. But this is very structured, and the way that it goes into the bag, it allows you to basically hold the bag like this if you want to say get into it, and it doesn't pull any of the other part of the bag up. It just keeps its shape. So when you get into the center here like this, you're not it's not deformed at the top, if you know what I mean. Because I find a lot of bags with the handles, you pull them up, when you're holding them like this, it pulls the bag together at the top, and it makes it more difficult to get things out if you're just holding it. So I really do love that, and it is a rolled handle instead of a flat handle, it's just the perfect size to grab, and I like to carry it around like this as well as on my back, so I found that really, really helpful. There are bottle pockets on each side, and these bottle pockets are slightly insulated. They are stretchy, but if you put a bottle in this pocket, it will push into the rest of the bag, and there is actually another bottle pocket on each side on the inside. So I guess it's up to you how you want to organize your bag. I like to put my bottles inside my bags if I can. I just like the look of the bags. I find better that way. I find it's more streamlined, and it's just what I prefer, but you do have that option as well. There are D-rings on the side of the Joy which allow you to attach it to a stroller, and there is another D-ring down the bottom here that apparently I found out from Kerry that it's designed so you can put on yoga clips or travel clips, so you can put a yoga mat, attach a yoga mat to the side of the bag here. There's one on each side here, or a tripod if you're doing a camera work, or all sorts of long things, like maybe if you're a business and you've got one of those tubes with like documents in it, you can stick that to the outside of your bag. So that's a really cool little feature that you wouldn't necessarily think of putting on a diaper bag. So what I love about the Kerikit bags is they don't look like diaper and nappy bags. They just look like regular bags. They can be used way past baby years, and that's what I love about this brand. I swear, if I wasn't such a bag addict, I'd probably destash all my other bags and just keep my Kerikit ones, because out of the 3 styles, they pretty much suit everything that I need, and I just feel like there's so much to offer from each one. The zipper pulls here do have the leather feature on there, and there is the little knob which has the with the Kerikit symbol on there. You do get a bag tag that you can have embossed if you buy through Kerikit, and I put ZB Love on this one because in the memorabilia of my store that is unfortunately closing in a couple of months. It's so sad, but I wanted to get something in memory of that, so I got that there. Their logo is on the top here, and I just love the logo. I think it's really, really pretty. This does have the studs on the front, and I wasn't sure about the studs, but I really do like them. They kind of add a bit of funkiness. It's different. It doesn't look like every other backpack out there. This front pocket here is quite roomy, same with the mommy pocket, and I'll show you the features when I get into the packing, but these zippers are nice and smooth. It's a very easy bag to get in and out of. There is also a zip compartment up the top here that is quite small, but I actually used it for my keys, or you can put hair ties or clips and things in there as well. That's what I've used it for. So that's, I mean, I really don't have anything negative to say about this backpack. It is probably one of the most comfortable I've ever worn. It's very easy to get on and off my back. It feels amazing. It smells amazing. I mean, it's not as roomy as the Thor, so if you're after something that you can chuck more things on top, like jumpers and hats and things like that, then maybe the Thor might be better for you. But I feel like this is a little lighter on my back than the Thor is. I think I have to adjust the Thor with where it sits in order to get the best comfortable you know, position. But this one does have nice length to the straps. Like, I'm 5'9", and I mean, I don't even have it on the longest. I think the Thor does have a longer adjustable strap, but I think with the newer version with the padded straps, I'm pretty sure those straps are pretty much the same length as the Joy. So don't quote me on it, but from what I experienced, I'm pretty sure that it is like that. So without any ado, let's get into the packing portion, and I'll show you how I have this baby packed up as a toddler bag, and just kind of give you some ideas in case you'd like to try this for your own needs. Okay, so as I said before, this is in the blue steel. It is a very, very pretty blue. It does have gold hardware, which I think looks really nice with this particular blue color. So in the front here, you do have a pocket here. That's a really nice long pocket, and in here I just keep my iPhone when it's not in my pocket. I also have a packet of tissues. In this pocket here, I guess this is kind of like the mummy pocket. It's got 2 zipper pulls, which is nice, and it does fold down so you can easily see into it, which is also a really good feature. It does have the gold or the champagne lining with the Kerikit symbol or the logo embossed on here or printed on here. And the functionality of this pocket can be endless depending on your needs. I just have 2 things in the main section, the open section. One is my whimsical watercolor, which again looks beautiful with the blue steel, and that just has my lipstick and lip gloss. I also have my Mimco wallet here, and that looks really nice too. It's a similar gold, it just matches it really pretty. And then the other organization, you do have 4 card slots here, which are really easy to get in and out of, by the way. They're not, you know, some card slots are really like tight. Back here I just put a hair elastic. There are 2 pen loops here, and I just have my hair clip on one and a pen on the other. And I also have in this little pocket here just some snacks for my daughter, some little bars, and then the open part of the pocket is actually quite big. You can fit a lot in there. And so there are bottle pockets on each side of the bag. I don't have anything in those. I have my bag tag here. In the very top zip pocket here, this is a small little pocket. I think it's designed for pacifiers or dummies. And in here I did put my keys. I can fit my keys in here because I only have a few key things on here. But I mean, you could probably put your lipstick or lip gloss in there, or maybe some little snacks. You could I could easily put these snacks in here. It'll be really easy to grab for Clara. But that's a cute little addition there. On the back here, these backpack straps are awesome, as I said, and there is like a hidden pocket here. The leather just feels amazing. I love how the stitching is along here too. And in here I just have my Baby Olay shopping tote, and this goes about here along the bag, which is really, really nice. So I'm going to stick that back in there. Going into the center of the bag now. 2 zipper pulls, which is really nice. Zippers are really easy, and this bag does stay open, and it's really easy to see into. The pocket back here is leather trimmed, and it is a nice nylon large pocket. In here I just have my hairbrush in the coin purse with some hair ties. And then I'll take out the things in the center first. I just have a little zip around pouch with a boogie board for my daughter to play with, and also a little play pack with some crayons and coloring stuff. I also have a Y pouch 30 in there as well. There are bottle pockets on each side, which are a little bit insulated. In one, I just have a little squeezy fruit thing that I wanted to keep a little bit cold, so I put that into that pocket there. Then in the other side, I just have a thermos container that does fit in there. These pockets were a little tight when I first got the bag, so you can see in there. But after a while, I found if you put it this way and then go down, it actually goes into the pocket really well. Instead of trying to pull it out and put it in, pull it out with your finger and put it in. So that's just a little hint. There's a slip pocket at the back here with a clip closure, and this is where I had my nappy needs. So I actually did use everything, all the nappies. I just put a couple in there for the video. So I usually take 2 size 5s and then a Logan and Lenora change pad. Just flip the bag around. So these 2 pockets here are very, very roomy. And in here I just have my small set piece and my hand sanitizer that I always take together, so I know where they are. And the other one I have a small set piece by Jujubee with my phone charging bank, and those fit in there great. So that's the inside of the bag there. It is such a roomy like bag for this style. A lot of bags that are this design I find really squishy. I love how these pockets are stretchy, they're big, so you're not struggling to put things in and out of them. And I like how there are pockets on the inside that are a little bit insulated for your bottle, so you're not forced to use the outside pockets. So I really love this bag so much. I have an ice gray one coming as well from the Kerikit sale. If you looking to grab one of these bags or one of the other styles, hop on their website. I'll pop it below. They have a Black Friday sale running right now that's 20% off, and that's a fantastic discount on these leather bags, and it is so worth it. So go ahead and check that out and grab something if you would like to try a Kerikit bag for yourself. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them below, and thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.